Hello there. Welcome back to That's That Magic TV. It's me, Alicia here, and I'm doing a little experiment with you. So, what do you prefer with your exfoliating body scrubs? Are you team salt? Or are you team sugar? So I'm gonna do just like a little experiment with both because I'm playing around with some things. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the salt here. Ooh. Of course I can't get it open. I'm gonna put a little bit in my mug here. Oh, my measuring cup, just a little bit. And then I'm going to, let's see, a little bit of magic. Just gotta open it up. A little bit of magic, a little bit of salt. Ooh, that's a lot of salt. Some more magic here, just to, and I'm gonna rub it in just to see. It actually feels really good. I don't know. I think I'm already sold on the salt. So that's salt. Let's see. I'm making a complete mess, so I wouldn't suggest doing this on a table. Do it over the sink. I would definitely suggest that. And then I'm gonna try the sugar. All I have in my cabinet is organic cane sugar, so that's what we're gonna use. So I'm gonna go ahead for sugar. It's more fine for sure. And then put a little bit of magic. And all right. I think I'm team sugar. The sugar has more of a, it's more abrasive. Like it feels like it's making, like it's really getting in there and exfoliating. So go ahead and comment on this video and tell me what you like more, salt or sugar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see what's new and what's coming up and learn things about That's That Magic. Love ya. Bye. Oh, and keep glowing.